Hi guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to defrost your freezer. Ever had those annoying days when your freezer just won't close? This is the culprit. All this ice. When you first bought your freezer, you may have noticed it came with one of these, which we all know is ice maker. That's fine. But this, I always wondered what this was for. And I just discovered this the other day. My freezer was full of ice, and then I just got it off with this, so it looks like an ice pick. I never actually knew what this was when we first got the freezer. If you have a freezer looking like this, don't worry, I'll show you how to get rid of all this ice. So the first thing to do would be remove the drawer. So I've just removed the drawer, and this is what it looks like behind the drawer. All of this ice is what is stopping the drawer from closing properly, and that is what is preventing the fridge door to close. So let's start removing it. All you need to do is take your ice pick and literally just remove the ice with the ice pick, like so. You can see it's come off in a big chunk. What I would just advise you to do, instead of you getting water everywhere, when you get big chunks of ice like this, just put them in the sink and then run the tap over it, and they melt away nicely. So just keep going. Look at the size of that. You get the idea of what I'm doing here. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to do the rest off camera, and then I will come back and show you the results. I've just finished doing the left side. You can see the difference. This is the left hand side. No more ice. Back is all done. Now what's left is just this side remaining. You can see the difference. All the ice is gone now. All sides are completely clear. This is the left hand side. No more ice. This is the back section. All the remaining ice is dropped down in the middle. Those parts I'm going to throw away, and this is the left hand side. So all the ice is gone. This is the easy way to remove ice from your freezer. If you can't reach your power button, you can't switch the freezer off, this is the best way to do it with least mess, because if you defrost your freezer overnight, you might find puddles of water everywhere. This is the best. Look at the size of that. So I'm quickly gonna throw all this ice into the sink, and I'll show you how I dissolve the ice. This is the ice I removed. This is it in the sink, and all you need to do is just turn your tap on and that'll dissolve all the ice. Great thing about it is you can see the drawer. As I was defrosting the freezer itself, the drawer was left on its own and all the ice that was in the drawer happily dissolved. If I've got some pictures of before and after, I'll slide them in here. You can see the difference. I've already thrown the water away. The ice that was in the drawer has already turned to water. I've already thrown that away. As you can see, some little drops on the floor. Yeah. This is what it looks like now. All the ice completely cleared. The door will be able to close. No more ice. So now the drawer should easily be able to slot back in, and your freezer should be able to close with ease. And that should be able to nicely close now. Thank you very much for all the time you spent on my channel watching here today. Really do appreciate your time. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you to all my members, and thank you to everyone that always watches my videos. Thank you for always watching to the end. See you in the next video, guys. Bye.